Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can make a forming tool in sheet metal. So let's get started. Okay, so we will make a forming tool, a simple forming tool. Okay, top plane. I'll take a center rectangle of any size like 70 by it's 120 mm, and after that I'll extrude it to up to the 5 mm. Okay, after that I'll make one circle over here of size 40. After that we will extrude it to up to the up to the 30 mm. Okay, 30 is enough, I guess. Okay, no, let's make it as a 20. After that I'll add a fillet of 10 mm. Okay, and after that again I'll add a fillet of 5 mm at the bottom one. Okay, so this is the forming shape that I want on my sheet metal part. So let's create I'll eliminate this base, convert entities, extrude cut through all both. Okay, so this is the our forming tool. We will save this as CIRC circular forming tool. Okay, on a desktop as a part file. Okay, we save it as a part file, but for the forming tool the extension is different. Okay, so we will create now forming tool. Go to sheet metal, go to forming tools. Okay, the stopping face, select at the bottom face. See, if you want to remove any material during the forming operation, so you have to choose this section over here, the faces to remove. So I want to remove this topmost circular face, so I'll choose this one. After that, hit OK. Okay, so as you are seeing, the three colors appear over here. See, the red one, a red color shows that this this amount of metal is gonna remove in a forming operation, and the yellow color shows that this is our main forming structure, like this is our main forming shape. And this blue you are seeing at the bottom over here, this is nothing but your stopping face. So just save it. Okay, so now we are going to save in a forming tool format. Right now it is in SLDPRT format. So save this to this PC. Okay, I'll save as new forming tool. See this extension SLD FTP. This is nothing but your forming tool extension. Go to I'll go to desktop. On the desktop I'll just save it. Okay, so our forming tool is now get saved. Okay, so let's start with the like sheet metal. Okay, I'll draw a rectangle over here. Just make it as 130 by, okay, it's 13. Okay, I'll make it as 100 by 100 square. Okay, no worries. Okay, 100 by 100 of square. Then base flange is of 2 mm thickness. Okay, so this is our sheet metal on which forming operations we need to perform. So go in the library, the design library. See, the forming tool that we have created. See this one, SLDFTP. We didn't added it in our design library. So we need to add first our forming tool in design library. So go to design library, extend it, see forming tools, right click on it, open folder. See, we have opened the folder. So here we are going to place our forming tool. So just drag and just place it over here. After that, close this one, open SolidWorks. See, for the now, see, as soon as we have added this tool in our forming tool folder, this tool will appear over here. Just drag this to our main sheet metal part. See, right now the forming tool is at like any position. We just drag and place it over on our sheet metal part. Just go to the positions. Like see here, if you want to flip, you can flip the tool like from the top side, from the bottom side, as per your requirements. So go to the position. So for now, I want this forming tool at the center of the sheet metal. So I'll go like this in a center line from here to here. Select. After that, I'll select this one, select midpoint, center of the forming tool, and make it as a coincident. Okay, so now my forming tool is at the center. I'll hit then OK. See, as you see over here, see the red part that we see in a forming tool, that is this one. See, this much of amount of material is removed, and this is nothing but our the required shape of the forming tool, and that zero plane like blue color of part is nothing but this one, like this blue part, that blue part and this our sheet metal face will lie on the same plane. So after doing this, it will look like this. After the forming operations, it will look like this. Yeah, it will look like this. So if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to comment. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. Okay, so that's it for the that is for the today, guys. Thank you so much.